Namastey Coders, I hope you are fine, doing well in your life. So today is 7th March and we are gonna solve today's problem of the day. So let's begin with the problem. So let me first take my pen. So the problem is closest prime number in range. So actually I have solved this problem. So the in this problem what the problem is, we are given two positive integers left and right, and find the two integers num1 and num2 such that in this range of left and right we have to find two numbers, num1 and num2, and num1 and num2 should be prime number, and num2 minus num1 is the minimum, should be the minimum, right? So that is the condition we have to find. So this is the question. So there are multiple ways to solve this problem, but there is an algorithm. Let me show you. There is an algorithm known as Sieve of Eratosthenes. Sorry for my translation, but this is a very important algorithm for solving any questions on the prime. So let me explain this algorithm first. So okay, so in this algorithm, what is this? How is this helpful? So print all the primes smaller than or equals to n. So this is the statement. So this will solve this question, right? So how it is solving? Let me explain to you. It will create a vector bool is prime. Okay. So here also I am creating a vector of bool is prime. I am resizing it here as true. So currently all the numbers till 10 to the power 6 is prime. Now I will start from 2. I will start till I into I is smaller than or equals to 10 to the power 6, right? And if any number is not prime, right, is any number is currently a prime, right? So let's say that currently 2 will be a prime, so I will mark all its multiple non-prime, right? All its multiple non-prime. So similarly here also, if any number is prime, it will mark all its multiple non-prime. So the time complexity of this algorithm is n log of log n, right? And the space complexity of on. So this is a very important algorithm. So let me again explain to you. We are given an integer n and we have to find all the numbers which is prime up to n, right? So this will initiate a bool vector of bool. This will start from 2 and check if the number is prime or not. If number is prime, it will mark all its multiple non-prime, right? So this is how we will first calculate all the prime numbers till 10 to the power 6, right? And using this static method, we can hold this value so that we should not compute it again and again for all the test cases, right? So this will increase our computation speed, right? So then there remains just a small thing. Then what we need a minimum a. We will initiate minimum a difference minimum b, a and b. Okay, we will iterate through left, we will iterate till right, and if the current value is prime, we'll do this. What is this? A will be initiated as b and b will be initiated as iterator. So let's say we have to 1 to like 9, right? Let's say 3 to 9. So currently 3 is a prime, so b will be here and a will be like -1, and this case will get failed. Then we'll get to the 4. Iterator will be 4. Iterator will get 5. So 5 is a prime. So b will become 5 and a will become 3. and this case getting satisfied, and b minus a is 2, so 2 is smaller than difference is int max, so difference will become 2, minimum a will become 3, and minimum b will become 5, and then iterator plus plus will go till here, and this is how we'll find our minimum solution, right? So if the difference is still int max, that means we haven't got our solution, otherwise we'll return it, and we are initiating the is prime. So this is how we are solving this problem. I hope you find this solution well. So we have solved this using in 84% beat, which is pretty good. Actually, I have also commented this out, so I will share the link of this solution in the chat on the comment. If you want, you can see those videos. Okay guys, that's all from my side. Thank you. I suggest you all to read this article once. I will give the link in the description also. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Have a nice day.